Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Wake up, it's morning.
Wake up, it's morning.
Let's make the bed.
Let's make the bed.
Let's brush our teeth.
Let's brush our teeth.
Time to get dressed.
Time to get dressed.
Do you want breakfast?
Do you want breakfast?
What would you like to eat?
What would you like to eat?
Let's make some pancakes.
Let's make some pancakes.
Don't forget to wash your hands.
Don't forget to wash your hands.
It's time to go to school.
It's time to go to school.
How are you today?
How are you today?
Have a great day at school.
Have a great day at school.
Did you do your homework?
Did you do your homework?
Let's play outside.
Let's play outside.
Do you want to go to the park?
Do you want to go to the park?
Time to clean up your toys.
Time to clean up your toys.
Would you like a snack?
Would you like a snack?
Let's read a book.
Let's read a book.
Can you help me set the table?
Can you help me set the table?
Dinner is ready.
Dinner is ready.
Please eat your vegetables.
Please eat your vegetables.
Would you like some water?
Would you like some water?
Time to take a bath.
Time to take a bath.
Let's put on your pajamas.
Let's put on your pajamas.
Do you want a bedtime story?
Do you want a bedtime story?
Good night, sleep tight.
Good night. Sleep tight.
Do you need help with your shoes?
Do you need help with your shoes?
What is the weather like today?
What is the weather like today?
Can you tie your shoes?
Can you tie your shoes?
Let's go for a walk.
Let's go for a walk.
Let's go to the grocery store.
Let's go to the grocery store.
Would you like to bake cookies?
Would you like to bake cookies?
Let's paint a picture.
Let's paint a picture.
Let's play a game.
Let's play a game.
Do you want to build with blocks?
Do you want to build with blocks?
Can you draw a cat?
Can you draw a cat?
Can you find the puzzle pieces?
Can you find the puzzle pieces? Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.